Welcome back, fellas. I got this delivered the other day. I told the Ben it was a boomerang. Honestly, he wanted to say her face she was good, as if I was going to fling this around the street. I got this off eBay. Honestly, I don't know if I fit it, if I can even get the car to dry. Oh, it's well packaged, mind. So this is just a splitter for the Subaru. This is like a fiberglass one. You can get carbon fibre one, but there's nothing carbon fibre on the car. And to be honest, I'm debating, this is like gloss black. I'm debating spraying it matte anyway. God, this is taking some unwrapping mind. It does actually come with some stainless steel screws and washers and nuts and bolts. That's pretty cool. I was just expecting some self-tappers. Let's put it on the front and see what it looks like. It does look pretty good, to be fair, like. We'll jack the car up, get on axle stands, and get cracking, eh? This car is too low. I think I might have to lift the front end up just like a little bit, because it's, I mean, it looks cool, but it's got to pull the splitter off straight away. It's got to get a screwdriver and pop these little clips off. Out of all the Subarus, right, the Hawkeye is the best head. I think it's got the best headlights, but it's got the worst choice of splitters. This is literally the best one I could find. The old people go mad for the Blob Eye, and that is my least favourite. I think I like the Hawk, then the Bug, then the Blob. By the way, it's like -1 degree today, you know. I'm just loosely fitting this at the minute. Then once all the bolts are in, I'll go around and I'll give them all a good nip up. I'll probably end up taking it off because I'm not good off the drive. Nip it up. Wasn't that bad to fit, to be honest, like. It's on. I bet it doesn't get off the drive. I bet ya. I always use axle stands. Don't want a car landing on us. It is low. Let's show you how low this is. Let's see if it gets off the drive, eh? Let's have a go. I don't think this is going to get off at all. I think I'm just about to pull the split off. I just paid 95 quid for. I can hear it. I'm going to get out and have a look. That is flat on the floor. Oh, did you hear that? I'll have to put some wood down next time I get the car on the drive. Have a look, check it's still there. Right, we'll go for a little drive. I don't think it's going to catch on the wood. I give this splitter about 2 weeks before I rip it off. It's only fiberglass. That's why I wanted a rubber one that kind of flex a bit more, don't they? Before we go any further, just a huge thanks to Hampton Auctions for sponsoring my channel. If you've got like an interesting car you want to sell, drop Hampton Auctions a message below. There's a link in the description. They literally, if you sell your car through Hampton Auctions, they literally take 0% of the final hammer price. So like, if your car sells for 40 grand, you get 40 grand. Like I say, I'll leave a link below, check it out. They auction like cool cars as well. Check the Instagram out. They've always got some cool cars on there. I think that splitter's just caught going round and round about, man. I'm going to have to lift the front end of this car. I might drop the back so it brings the front up a bit, I don't know. I haven't got much hope for this splitter, like, honestly. I give it like 2 weeks and it'll be off. Look at this man, trying to get the car back on the drive. It's catching there. There's still all that way to go before it's a ramp. As you can see, fellas, I just cannot get the car on the drive. I'm going to order some ramp things. There's some on Amazon. They're only like 20 quid. Honestly, right, I love this car. And it kills us seeing it sat in the drive in the winter. So I've rented a garage off a lad from work. I can still get the car anytime I want. But I'm going to keep it in there. Just for over like these crap months. And plus, hopefully, I'll get me planning through to be able to build my garage soon. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.